For my senior project, I completed an engineering internship at Siemens Mobility. During this internship, I was able to experience a real engineering and manufacturing environment. I also learned more about how large transportation systems are built and maintained. In this presentation, I'll first explain why I selected this project and what interested me about this internship opportunity. Then, I'll talk about some of the responsibilities and tasks I participated in my internship at Siemens. After that, I'll explain some of the most important things I learned from the experience. Finally, I'll talk about how this internship helped me think about my future and possible career paths. During my internship, I got to observe real production and quality control processes that are used in large-scale manufacturing. I was able to experience both office work and hands-on manufacturing environments. One thing that stood out to me immediately was how strict security and safety procedures were. Taking pictures was very controlled, and I was constantly asked to show my identification and name tag. While moving through the different areas of the facility, people constantly asked me who I was and what I was doing there. As I'm a girl, so why would I be there? Okay. What is Siemens Mobility? Siemens Mobility is a transportation technology company that designs, builds, and services trains, and rail systems. The company focuses heavily on engineering, manufacturing, safety, and quality control. Before this internship, I honestly did not realize how much work, testing, and coordination goes into train manufacturing. There are many departments working together at the same time, from engineering teams to production teams to quality inspectors. Seeing how organized and detailed everything was gave me a much better understanding of how large manufacturing companies operate. Why did I select the project I did? One reason I selected this project was because I wanted to explore different career paths before college. I was interested in seeing what an engineering and manufacturing environment looked like in real life instead of just hearing about it in school. I wanted real workplace experience so I could better understand professional expectations and responsibilities. Another reason I chose this internship was because I've been interested in medicine, so I wanted to compare that interest with engineering and see which field connected with me more. I felt like this internship helped me make a more informed decision about my future. What did I accomplish for my project? During my internship, I participated in many different engineering and manufacturing related activities. I observed supplier audits and vendor meetings, where I saw how companies maintain quality standards with outside suppliers. I also worked around dimensional measuring and inspections, which are used to verify that parts meet exact specifications. In addition, I observed engineering revision updates and incoming part inspections. One of the coolest parts of my internship was that I even got to try welding myself, which gave me a better appreciation for the skill and precision involved in manufacturing work. And the picture up there is what I welded, and I have it too, so you guys can pass it around if you want.
It's a pretty good looking beat.
Thank you. Being able to experience both the technical and hands-on sides of the internship made the project much more interesting. I also learned about several advanced inspection and testing processes used to maintain safety and quality. One example was penetrant testing, or PT, which is used to detect flaws or cracks in welding. I reviewed material testing documents and electroplating certificates to make sure materials met company standards. I also observed zinc plating thickness inspections and corrective action investigations. What surprised me most was how much documentation and testing goes into every part before it is approved. It showed me how important quality control is, especially in transportation where safety is critical. What did I learn while doing my senior project? One of the biggest things I learned was how important communication is in a professional environment. Even small communication mistakes, like forgetting to slow down and look at the details, or misunderstanding instructions, can create larger issues later. I also learned how important teamwork is because different departments rely on each other constantly throughout the manufacturing process. Another thing I learned was how much precision and organization are required in engineering and manufacturing. Overall, this internship helped me better understand trains, manufacturing systems, engineering processes, and professional workplace expectations. How will my project benefit me as I move forward in life? I think this project will benefit me in many ways looking forward. First, it gave me real experience in a professional workplace environment before college, which helped me become more comfortable around professional expectations and communication. It also helped me think more seriously about possible career paths and what kind of work environment I may enjoy in the future. In addition, the internship gave me confidence because I was able to learn technical concepts and adapt to a real manufacturing setting. In conclusion, my internship at Siemens Mobility gave me valuable real-world experience and allowed me to learn both technical and professional skills. I gained a much better understanding of engineering, manufacturing, quality control, and workplace communication. I also got to experience hands-on activities like welding and observe advanced inspection and testing processes. This project helped me prepare for future education and career opportunities while giving me a clearer understanding of what working in a professional engineering environment is actually like. Thank you. If you guys have any questions, yeah.
What did you decide, medical or engineering?
Medicine.
All of that.
Anything else? Yeah.
So is this a program that you got into?
Kind of. They have an official internship program, but the dates of that was like weird and I didn't apply to that. I knew someone there and he like got me in somehow. Yeah. Yeah, Michael.
Was there not much girls there? Because you made it seem like you stood out.
Well, what do you think? It's like a warehouse and there's like a bunch of guys doing stuff, lifting heavy stuff. So there's like 2 girls I met maybe. Like in the office more, they like stay around the computers and emails. Yeah. Yeah.
How long was your internship?
How many hours?
Like how long? Yeah.
I went 3 days, about like 10 or 11 hours each day. I traveled to Union City one day, so traveling also took a while. Yeah. Yeah.
Alisia, is Siemens a German company?
I think so. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, actually, I think they are. They have engineers in Germany that they work with. Yeah. Yes.
Did you talk about bullet trains at all during your internship?
Bullet trains? No. They're trying to make an electric train, an electric powered train, like completely. Yeah. Any other questions?